Dear students, we shall work out problem number 3 on joint venture accounts. Please see problem. X and Y entered into a joint venture to buy and sell goods and to share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They opened a joint bank account to which X contributed 15,000 and Y contributed rupees 10,000. You already know the entry when contribution made by the co-venturer to joint venture. Entry joint bank account debtor to co-venturer's account. A joint bank account debtor to X's account to Y's account. Understand? X and Y purchased goods for rupees 25,000 for the joint venture. Goods purchased for joint venture. Entry joint venture account debtor to joint bank account. Okay, here both the parties purchased and amount given 25,000. One amount given. Understand? While recording entry, you should know entry joint venture account debtor to joint bank account. If individual purchase of goods given, then entry joint venture account debtor to co-venturer account. Understand? ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಸೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆಯಾಗಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಟರ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ವೈಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ rupees 6,000. When goods supplied by X, entry joint venture account debtor to X's account. Next, Y paid for rent and sales expenses of rupees 3,000. Expenses incurred by co-venturer in relation to joint venture. Entry joint venture account debtor to Y's account. Next, they sold goods for rupees 35,000. When goods sold, entry joint bank account debtor to joint venture account. Understand? On closing the venture, the unsold goods were taken over by Y for rupees 4,000. When goods are taken over by co-venturer, entry Y's account debtor to joint venture account. Understand? Prepare joint venture account, joint bank account and co-venturer's account. Completed? Normally, this type of question asked for 24 marks in the examination, or sometime it may be asked for 12 marks. This chapter, joint venture account, introduced last year. Understand? If you refer previous year question paper, you will not get any question on this topic because of COVID. Due to COVID, last year's examination not conducted. Understand? Next, write down books of X and Y. Books of X and Y. In the middle of the page, write down joint venture account. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. Okay, according to information given in the problem, we have to record transaction in joint venture account. Okay, please see problem. They profit. X and Y entered into joint venture to buy, sell and goods, to share profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. They opened a joint bank account to which X contributed 15,000 and Y contributed 10,000. This entry relating to joint bank and joint. This entry relating to joint bank account and co-venturers account. Leave it. Next, X and Y purchased goods for rupees 25,000 for the joint venture. Okay, first entry, when goods purchased for joint venture entry, joint venture account debtor to joint bank account, write down debit side to joint bank account, amount column write down 25,000, right in bracket, purchased goods. Next, X supplied goods for rupees 6,000. When goods supplied by X entry, joint venture account debtor to X's account, right in bracket, goods supplied, write in amount column 6,000 to X's account 6,000. Completed. Next, Y paid for rent and sales expenses 3,000. When rent and sales expenses incurred by Y entry, joint venture account debtor to Y's account, how much? 3,000 to Y's account 3,000, right in bracket, rent and sales expenses paid. Okay, next entry, they sold goods for rupees 35,000. When goods sold entry, joint bank account debtor to joint venture account, right in credit side, by joint bank account 35,000, right in bracket, goods sold. Completed. Next entry, on closing the venture, the unsold goods were taken over by Y for rupees 4,000. When unsold goods taken over by co-venturer Y entry, Y's account debtor to joint venture account, right in credit side, by Y's account 4,000, right in bracket, goods taken over. Completed. Yes. Next, we recorded everything, then find out differences. First of all, find out which side shows more balance. Leave 5 lines. Okay, credit side shows more balance. 35,000 plus 4,000, how much? 39,000, right in credit side. Next, right in debit side, 39,000. 39,000 minus 25,000 minus 6,000 minus 3,000. How much is it? 5,000. Check it. Yes, 5,000. If a credit side total is greater than debit side, the difference is to be treated as profit of venture. Okay, profit of venture distributed to partner. Partner means co-venturer according to their profit sharing ratio. Okay, ratio given in the problem 2:1. Okay, first write down to co-venturers account, write in bracket profit of venture, again write in bracket 5,000 in the ratio of 2:1. Okay, compute profit of co-venturer. 5,000 into 2 by 3, how much? Joint venture account completed. Next, we have to prepare joint bank account. Okay, next, in the middle of the page, write down joint bank account, draw necessary column, please write rupees in amounts column. While working out joint bank account, please see problem as well as joint venture account. Joint bank account prepare ಮಾಡುವಾಗ problem ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು? ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ? You know, first entry relating to joint bank account, that is contract price received or capital contributed by co-venturer. Please see problem. They opened a joint bank account to which X contributed 15,000 and Y contributed 10,000. Understand? When capital contributed by co-venturer entry, joint bank account debtor to X's account to Y's account. Okay, you have to debit joint bank account. It means we have to record this entry on debit side. Write down to excess account 15,000. Next to vice account 10,000. Write in bracket capital contribution. Okay, to record this entry you have to see problem. Understand? Completed. For other entries, please refer joint venture account. ಉಳಿದ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ. While recording entry in joint bank account, please see joint venture account. Understand? Yes, if a joint bank account recorded on debit side, you have to record this entry on credit side of joint bank account. Joint venture account ನಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If any entry recorded on credit side, then you have to record that one on debit side of joint bank account. Understand? Yes. Please take only entry relating to joint bank account. Joint bank account ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. Please see debit side. To joint bank account 25,000 purchased goods. Post to the okay, transfer this entry to credit side of joint bank account. Write down by joint venture account 25,000. Write in bracket purchased goods. Completed. Next, please see debit side of joint venture account. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. Next, please see credit side by joint bank account 35,000. Goods sold. Okay, post it to debit side of joint bank account. Write down debit side to joint venture account. Write in bracket goods sold. Write in amount column 35,000. To joint venture account 35,000. Next, please see any other entries recorded here. No. Okay, next. Okay, we recorded all entry relating to joint bank account. Next, we have to close this account. Okay, joint bank account close ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿನಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ, without co-venturers account balance we cannot close joint bank account. Understand? Before closure of joint bank account, okay, leave sufficient space, leave 1 or 2 lines. Next, prepare co-venturers account. Next, write down in the middle of the page co-venturers account. Next, draw necessary column. Please find out how many partners are there. There are 2 parties in a joint venture. Okay, draw one particular 2 amounts column in debit side, one particular and 2 amounts column in credit side. Please write parties name in amount column, X first column, first amount column, Y second amount column. Same like in credit side. Okay. Next, while working out co-venturers account, please see joint venture account and joint bank account. Understand? Normally, first entry recorded in co-venturers account, that is relating to capital contributed by the co-venturer. Understand? When capital contributed by the co-venturer. You already know this one. Okay, please see joint bank account. Joint bank account ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದಿರ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ that one to credit side of co-venturers account. Understand? Entry by joint bank account by joint bank account, write in bracket, write in amount column, X column write down 15,000, Y column write down 10,000. You may also write in bracket capital contribution. Bracket nalli artha agade idre barkolli capital contribution anta. Understand? Completed. Next, idu first entry yavaglu baruvantadu aita. Next, depending upon the entry recorded in joint venture and joint bank account, transfer that entry to co-venturers account. Understand? Yes. Please see joint venture account, debit side. Okay, 2X's account recorded 6,000, 2Y's account recorded 3,000. Understand? Completed. You can write these two entry in one entry. Understand? That is joint venture account return to co-venturers account. Okay. Yes. Post it. By joint venture account, X's column write down 6,000. 6,000. Y column write down 3,000. By joint venture account 6,000, 3,000. Completed. ಇದು ಕಷ್ಟ ಆದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆಯಾಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬೈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 6,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ವೈ ಕಾಲಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ 3,000. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ debit side, 2 co-venturers account, X's account 3,333, Y's account 1,667. Okay, transfer this entry to co-venturers account. Write down credit side by joint venture account, X's column 3,333, Y column 1,667. Completed. By joint venture account 3,333, X's column, Y column 1,667. You may also write in bracket profit of venture. Profit of venture recorded. Next entry. Please see joint venture account. Debit side items recorded. Next, please see credit side. By joint bank account leave it. By Y's account 4,000. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ credit side ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ debit side entry ಮಾಡಿ. To joint venture account X column dash Y column write down 4,000. Completed. You may also write narration goods taken over. Okay, bracket ನಲ್ಲಿ goods taken over ಅಂತ entry ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಆಯ್ತಾ if you want. Okay. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಎಸ್, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸರಿಯಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಐಟಮ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡೆಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಶೋಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್. ಎಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 15,000 plus 6,000 plus 3,333. Credit side shows more balance. How much? 24,333. Okay, total how much? 24,333. Next, write it in debit side. 24,333. 24,333 minus 0. Okay, how much? 24,333. Okay, in front of the amount write down to bank account, write in bracket final settlement. Understand? Next, Y column, find out which side shows more balance. Credit side shows more balance. Total it 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,667. 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 1,667. 14,667. Next, write it in debit side. 14,667. 14,667 minus 4,000. How much? 10,667. Completed? Yes. Last entry in co-venturers account. Co-venturers account entered to bank account. Final settlement made to X. 24,333. Y. 10,667. This balance. Okay. Balance in co-venturers account. Final settlement. Transfer to joint bank account. Okay. Write in credit side by excess account 24,333. By Y's account 10,667. Completed. Next, balance it. Debit side 15,000 plus 10,000 25 plus 35,000, total 60,000. Next, total it in credit side 60,000. Completed. Yes. Check it. Yes. Total same. Yes. We closed a joint bank account. Understand? These are some information relating to preparation of joint venture account, joint bank account, and co-venturers account. Next, problem number 4. Please see problem. Neeraj and Ganesh entered into a joint venture, agreed to share profits and losses in the ratio of their respective contributions. In this problem, you have to find out profit sharing ratio. Understand? The following transaction took place during the course of the venture. Point A, Neeraj and Ganesh deposited rupees 65,000 and 32,500 respectively into a joint bank account. This is capital contributed by the co-venturer to joint venture. Understand? When capital contributed entry, joint bank account debtor to co-venturer account. Joint bank account debtor to co-venturer account. Understand? Then profit sharing ratio will be 65,000 is to 32,500. If you simplify it, then you will get 2:1 ratio. Profit sharing ratio how much? 2:1. Understand? In the problem, it was mentioned that their profit sharing ratio according to their contributions. Next, point B. Goods bought for rupees 80,000. Expenses incurred 10,950. Purchased goods and expenses incurred relating to joint venture. Okay. These two transactions recorded in one entry, that is joint venture account debtor to joint bank account. Understand? Next one. Goods sold for rupees 90,000. When goods sold entry, joint bank account debtor to joint venture account. Understand? Next one, number E. Goods unsold taken over by Neeraj at an agreed valuation of rupees 2,700. When unsold goods taken over by co-venturer entry, Neeraj's account debtor to joint venture account. Prepare joint venture account, joint bank account, and co-venturers account. We shall work out solution. Next, write down books of Neeraj and Ganesh. In the middle of the page, write down joint venture account. Draw necessary column. Please write rupees in amounts column. Completed? Yes. Please see problem. Neeraj and Ganesh deposited. This one entry not comes in joint venture account. Next, point B. Goods bought for rupees 80,000, expenses incurred 10,950. These two transactions recorded in one entry. You know, write down. Joint venture account debtor to joint bank account. Purchased goods 80,000, expenses paid 10,950. Total amount 90,950. Amount column 90,950. Understand? Next, goods sold for rupees 90,000. When goods sold entry, joint bank account debtor to joint venture account recorded in credit side by joint bank account 90,000, write in bracket goods sold. Next entry, goods unsold taken over by Neeraj at an agreed valuation of 2,700. Okay, when goods are taken over by Neeraj, entry Neeraj to joint venture account. Okay, joint venture account credited, hence recorded on credit side. Okay, write down by Neeraj's account 2,700. ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೈ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 2,700. ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಓವರ್. Completed. Next entry, no other entries. Yes, leave 5 lines. Find out which side shows. Credit side shows more balance, 90,000 plus 2,700, 92,700. Next, write it in debit side. 92,700. Find out difference. 92,700 minus 90,950. Is it 1,750? Write difference on debit side above total. Check it. Correct. Okay, if credit side total is greater than debit side total, then the difference is to be treated as profit of venture. Profit of venture distributed among partner according to their profit sharing ratio. You already calculated 2:1. Understand? Yes. On debit side, write down to co-venturers account, write in bracket profit of venture, write in bracket again 1,750 distributed in the ratio of 2:1. Find out Neeraj's share of profit. 1,750 into 2/3. Is it 1,166? Okay, 1,166 or 167? Is it 1,167? 1,167. 1,166.66. Make it 167. Okay. Next, find out share of profit of Ganesh. 1,750 into 1/3. Is it 583? Check it. Yes, correct. 583. Yes, we recorded share of profit of co-venturers. Neeraj 1,167, Ganesh's 583. Joint venture account completed. Next, we have to prepare joint bank account. Next, in the middle of the page, write down joint bank account. Draw necessary columns. Write rupees in amounts column. While preparing joint bank account, please see problem and joint venture account. Understand? Normally, first entry recorded in the joint bank account is contract price received or capital contributed by the co-venturer. Please see problem. Point A, Neeraj and Ganesh deposited rupees 65,000 and 32,500 respectively into a joint bank account. This is capital contributed by co-venturer relating to joint venture. Okay, you already know the entry. When capital contributed by co-venturer, entry joint bank account detail to Neeraj's account to Ganesh's account. Write down debit side to Neeraj's account. How much amount? 65,000. Write in amount column 65,000. Next to Ganesh's account. How much? 32,500. Okay. To Ganesh's account 32,500. Write in bracket capital contribution. Completed. ಈ ಒಂದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಉಳಿದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಡೆಬಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟು ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 90,950. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಎಸ್, ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. Write down credit side by joint venture account 90,950. Write in bracket purchased goods and expenses paid. Purchased goods and expenses paid. Next, please see joint venture account debit side. Okay, to joint bank account, one entry over, no other entries. Next, please see credit side by joint bank account 90,000. Okay, post it to debit side of joint bank account. Debit side entry ಮಾಡಿ to joint venture account amount 90,000. Write in bracket goods sold. Completed? Yes, we recorded entries in given in the joint venture account. Okay, we recorded entries given in the joint venture account. Okay, next, next entry comes in joint bank account, that is closure of joint bank account. Okay, before closure of joint bank account we have to transfer co-venturers account balance to joint bank account. Okay, because of that reason we have to prepare co-venturers account. Joint bank account close ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು co-venturers account balance ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ leave 2-3 lines. Next, prepare co-venturers account. Okay, next draw necessary column. There are two parties in joint venture account, Neeraj and Ganesh. Draw one particular and two amounts column in debit side, one particular and two amounts column in credit side. Okay, write parties name in amounts column. First column write down Neeraj, second column write down Ganesh. Okay, yes. While working out co-venturers account, please see joint venture account. Normally first entry recorded in co-venturers account, that is capital contributed by co-venturer. Please see joint bank account debit side. You recorded one entry relating to capital contribution. Post that entry. Okay, to Neeraj's account, to Ganesh's account. Post it to credit side of co-venturers account as by joint bank account. Neeraj column write down 65,000. Ganesh's column write down 32,500. Completed? Write in bracket capital contribution. Bracket nalli barkolli capital contribution. Completed? Next, please see joint venture account. Okay, debit side You recorded one entry to co-venturers account. Okay, profit of venture. Neeraj 1167, Ganesh 583. Post it. Credit side by joint venture account 1167, next 583. Okay, write in bracket profit of venture. Completed. Next, please see joint venture account. Credit side by nearest account 2700. Post it to debit side. To joint venture account, Neeraj column write down 2700. Next, last column put a small dash. Completed. Yes, we recorded items given in joint venture account relating to co-venturer. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಟ್. Leave two line, find out which side shows more balance. First, total it in nearest column. Okay, credit side shows more balance 66,167. 65,000 plus 1,167. 66,167. Write it in debit side 66,167. Find out the difference. 66,000. Find out the difference. 66,167 minus 2,700. Is it 63,467? Check it. Yes, 63,467. In front of the amount, write down. In front of the amount, write down to bank account. What is this? Co-venturers account letter to bank account. Okay, final settlement made. Okay, joint venture close ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಪಾರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನದು? ಕೋ ವೆಂಚರರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಫೈನಲ್ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 63,467. Okay, next, find out total of Ganesh's column. Which side shows more balance? Credit side shows more balance. 32,500 plus 583. How much? 33,083. Check it. Correct. 33,083. Debit side. Okay, 33,083 minus 0 equal to 33,083. Okay, debit side above total write down 33,083. Okay, 33,083 is final settlement made to Ganesh in relation to closure of joint venture. Understand? Yes. Co-venturers account balance transferred to joint bank account. Understand? Yes, write it in credit side of joint bank account. Co-venturers account close ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಫೈನಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀರ ಅದನ್ನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇನ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಬೈ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 63,467. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬೈ ಗಣೇಶಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 33,083. Total it. Okay, next close joint bank account. Okay, total it. 65,000 plus 32,500 plus 90,000. How much is it? $1,87,500. Check it. Yes, 1,87,500. Credit side. Completed. Balance in joint bank account. How much? 63,467 plus 33,083. Okay. Transfer to co-venturers account. Understand? Entry by Neeraj's account, by Ganesh's account. Final settlement. Completed. These are some information relating to preparation of joint venture account, joint bank account and co-venturers account. Thank you.